here at Movement Mortgage President's Club Outreach 2024, and it's just so special. It's special to be here with all these kids. It's special to leave an impact.
So blessed to be here and have the opportunity to engage with these children and help the school out by beautifying the campus. It really is what movement is all about.
This is why I'm here. We're painting some mural right now with kids. This is the best part of it for me.
Movement does outreach programs that allow us to go out into the communities and really share and be a part of the community. We love, we care, and we go out and we actually do it in actions, not just words.